on the crane, hold the line. Holding steady, guide the cables. Ropes tight, lifting now. Watch the swing, up slow. Clear, keep it steady. All right, chute's clear. Flow stopping. Got it. Cab's ready. Okay, I'm up. Drum's turning. Good. Let's get this area cleaned up. Right, watch your step on the wet ground. This foam's thick. Ready for the rinse? Yeah, cab's ready. Hosing now. Watch the back. Got it. Front next? Yeah, let's go. Hit the drum hard. Got it. This rust is tough. Keep it steady. Almost done here. Hand me the wrench. Here you go. Watch for sparks. Got it, looks good. Almost done here. Good, let's wrap up. Careful with that weld, don't overheat the frame. Got it, holding steady. All right, I'm pulling this bracket now. Go ahead, I'll finish this seam. Bolt seized tight. I'll get the torch. Careful with the chain. Got it, turning now. Keep it steady, sparks are flying high. Got it, holding the line. Swing it over, watch the hook. Easy now, watch the swing. Steady, bring it in slow. Almost there, hold it. Hand me that wrench. Got it, this hose is tight. Check the pressure valve, it's clear, keep going.
Almost there, one more turn.
Okay, this chassis is clear. Got it. What about the tanks? They're next. Check the serials. Will do. This frame is tagged. Good. Log it. Check the alignment on this joint. Looks good. I'll secure it. Good. And torque this bracket to spec. Copy that.
Make sure to get the edges. Got it. Move into the lower section.
Chassis alignment is good. Moving to the tank. Copy that. I'll check the welds. Any anomalies on the seams? Just a minor surface imperfection. Let's log it. No structural impact. Agreed. Frame alignment looks good here. Mixer drum is clear, no issues. Suspension bushings are tight. Background equipment is secure. Check the torque on that hub. Almost there, it's at 450. Good, secure it. Check the alignment pin. Looks good. Torque is good on the front axle. Good. I'm locking the drum pivot now.
Charge hopper is aligned, securing it.
Looks solid. Let's check the wheel alignment. Alignment tools are ready. This bolt is torqued to spec. Got it. Align the housing now. Good. I'll finish the cab mounts. Ready for the next step? All right, lower it down. Copy that lowering. Easy, easy, guide it in. It's seated. Torque the mounts. Mounts are tight. Good, let's check the lines. Okay, bringing it down now. Keep it steady.
Got it. Pulling the guideline taut.
Looks good. A little more to the right. All right, it's seated, securing the base. Perfect. Good work, team. Hand me the wrench. Got it. Here you go. Torque it to spec. Copy that. Looks good. Check the upper joint now.
Torque this to spec.
Hoses are routed. Ready? Check the drum alignment.
This one's tight. Almost done.
Good. We'll need the new one ready. It's ready. Moving it over now. Okay, pulling the old one off.
Panel's secure here.
Headlights clean. Testing now.
All right, go ahead. Check the drum rotation.
Will do.
Bumper's clean.
Good.
Let's wrap up.
Hey, check this hub alignment. On it. Looks good. Headlight team, status. Almost done. It's clean.
How's the bumper looking?
Coming along. Almost done.
Drum's looking good. Let's get the bass.
Got it. On it now. All right, mixer is active and running smoothly. Setting the drum speed for optimal mixing. We'll head out once the load is ready. All right, starting her up now. Drum spinning up smoothly, ready to go. All right, starting the engine. Engine's running, now engaging the drum. Drum's rotating, moving forward. Systems are operational.